I'm just so happy for General Buboy Dragon. You gotta wait back. Banatan mo yung mga bato. Let's go, bang! Let's go! Wait back, wait back, wait back! Woo! Yay! This is rejoicing from a student, professor. The professor! Coach Sam Tamayo. So proud of my gang! So lahat kami nandito na. Si Coach Clyde of Motor Clyde is next. Ano what? WR 250. Ayun si Rendon. Ayun si Clyde. Let's go, Rendon. Good job, Aris. Aris of ASAJ. So real life coaching kasi I'm on the lead. So Coach Antoma here of MX I'm on the lead. So ang sweeper namin lahat is si Aris. So I'm in the lead and squeeze between my students and my guest kami si Coach Clyde of Motor Clyde. And inaalalayan ni Aris. So tingnan natin. Grabe. Medyo nagdasal pa si Rendon dun sa baba. So tingnan natin, here we go. Oops. Kinapos. Okay, I have to help him. Okay, okay. Sarap ng magaan ng bike, no, Aris? Ito yung problema, ang dulas nito. Vuelo! Go! Go! Gas! Gas! Go! Faster! 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 Gas! Gas! Okay lang, bro? Okay ka lang? Grabing hirap nito. Madulas talaga. Sige. Wait, wait. Don. Hindi rin doon, one last try. Gnarly, pangatlo na niya to. No retreat, no surrender. Wala! Kasi pag simula niya doon, maano na agad eh. Paahon na agad. That's the lowest point, guys. And there's like maybe 30 degrees already from that. And it goes really high. Gas! Yan! 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 Yaris! Ang galing mo! Never give up, Aris! Never give up! Woo! Ayun pa, ayun pa. A proud coach here. To God be the glory. Of course, all the students. Grabe pagod. To God be the glory.